Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Today we're going to be unboxing some of these new G-Shock Move watches. In this video we're going to be unboxing the black model here, and in the next video we'll be doing the white and yellow model. The black model here is GBDH1000-1, and these boxes are pretty cool. They kind of got that smartphone vibe with the box, you know, packaged nicely, maybe, like an Apple product or something. Very interesting, very different from the usual G-Shock with the nut style box. Here you got all the little gear, the extra charger and stuff inside. The box is all kind of flimsy, just this part especially on the bottom there's like a real light paper or heavyweight paper, light cardboard. The rest of the box is all like a light cardboard. And here you got the watch, if I can get it out of this bag it came in. And here you go. Very handsome. It reminds me a lot of the Rangeman model that came out a few years ago, but this model is much smaller case than the Rangeman. And this is the G-Shock Move, and this is their new venture into the world of smartphones and fitness trackers. You can see the back there. So on the back of the watch there, it's got an optical sensor, which is the heart rate monitor. The optical sensor on the back, it detects the blood flow under the skin and measures the heart rate. So here you got the view of the dial of the watch. Very easy to read, big letters, big numbers. Again, very similar to the Rangeman style, but this is much more easy to wear. It's a much more smaller case size. So first of all, this is a G-Shock, so it's a incredibly tough watch with the smartwatch kind of built into it. It combines the toughness with performance analytics. It helps you work out efficiently by measuring your heart rate, running distance, elapsed time, and pace. With the watch you can also create training plans designated to maintain or improve your athletic ability. You can see it as I go through the functions here, and it also helps you check your status of your training, all your data and history, and it goes through the G-Shock Move app. The G-Shock Move app is different than the traditional G-Shock app, so if you get this watch you got to download the specific G-Shock Move app. So yeah, it displays your current heart rate as well as the heart rate zone and the different intensity and the pace during your endurance training. This watch also uses First Beat, which is an algorithm from First Beat Technologies, which analyzes the latest fitness data and maximizes the training effectiveness for accurate data analysis. The watch also has a step tracker, altimeter, barometer, compass, thermometer, and GPS route mapping. Here you can see the two models side by side. To notify you, the watch vibrates. It vibrates for a specific elapsed time during training, heart rate zones, and also if your smartphone gets an email or other notifications. But for you to get the email and other notifications, it has to be linked onto the Bluetooth. To get an idea on the size of the watch, my wrist is about a 7.5 inch wrist, and you can see it's not too much bigger than a normal G-Shock. Thank you all for taking the time to check out the video.